Hey guys, what's up? How you doing? I just want to show you a quick tutorial on how to make this glowy gradient in Figma. It's very easy. It takes less than 5 minutes. Let's get into it. By the way, I made this the other day with it and it went a bit viral on Twitter. So I was very like, wow, that's crazy. I'm showing you how to do it too. So firstly, let's start again. So F desktop, again desktop frame. If you're doing for the web, it depends on what you're doing it for. Let's see what web. So web, and you need a background color. It can be anything. It's just green. It can be this. And let's say we're going to use this color, just anything. And then we need a rectangle that's going to be half of the frame here. So that's it, half. How do you need half? It's going to say 720, and 720 times 2. So if you times it by 2, it's going to be 14440. 14440. So divide by 2. You can even just get a new frame and divide by 2. That does it too. So that's web. I call it wing, yeah. So you give it an angular gradient. Angular. Give it another stop. You adjust it to be like this. You adjust this to be 0. Make this black. Make this black as well. And make this white. And then you can move this like this, and you can move this like this. Doesn't make any difference, but is this one that makes a difference? How you make it like this, that makes a difference. But this one, let's make it sharp. That's what I want. And this one, I can make it 99 or 98 or 95. Let's use 95. Why? It gives this gradient here. If it's just 100, it's going to be very sharp, which is okay. Sharp is okay, but that 98, 95 gives that edge of illusion that okay, this is real. And then you duplicate it and you can just do 180, sorry, minus 180. 0. Let's do shift H. Yeah, shift H just works for me. Like, I don't know why it doesn't work the same way I want it to when I do it here, but just do shift H. It flips it vertically, but horizontally. What am I saying? Hope you get me. Shift H. Use shift H. It flips it vertically or horizontally. Bro, I'm confused. But yeah, you get it. If it's shift V, you see it does this. Flips horizontally, vertically. Bro, whatever. At this point, I'm not even going to talk again. Group, call it the glow. And then from that, you just give it color dodge. Well, that's crazy. Yeah. I forgot we used green. I was like, why is it so green? So that's the green we used. And now it looks so bright. It's very big to the eye. So get on that rectangle, drag it over, and call it overlay. This overlay is going to be the same color as the original color we use at the background. We're going to give it a fill, linear gradient style, duplicate it twice, and then this does use the same color we used again in the beginning for the main background. So if you check this background, is 11A, the color 11AC70. Check the background with this one, so it's 11AC70. So that's what I did. And then you just come over here, and the 50% that is in the middle, 0. Make its opacity 0, and that helps a bit. I think because I use a bright color, normally I'm using dark colors, so it actually looked okay when the color is bright. So I've not tried a bright color lately. But if you just adjust it again and just make it darker a bit, and we'll adjust this one as well. Just copy this from here. Just overlay. I'll just copy this, paste it here. This is a bit better now. And you can see how the color works. And now that's just it. You cannot put any design you want. Let me just give you some few tricks again. If you want to adjust the way the gradient looks like, for example, now I did one here like this. You can see how it's coming like this. I did one where it's all the way down here, and just different styles. What you just do is you're going to adjust the gradient glow. So tap on this web stuff. Tap on this here, angular gradient. Yeah, and just like adjust this. Make it smaller, and see it gives you a different style. I don't. It does depend on what you want. You can just experiment with it and see what you like, what you don't like. Let's say you try 90 and try 50. Yeah. So how does 50 look like? It's more darker, but it's more focused on something else. And if you move it from 0, what's going to happen? The one down here is going to turn on. So now this one, you can see the light is coming all the way down now because we moved this one. So you see it's 90, and we give this one 0, and we give this one back to 50. crazy. This 90. I don't know. I'm just trying to that, bro. 0. I'm even confused. What am I doing? 0. Why is it not turning to 0? Yeah, and this one is going to be 90. Yeah, exactly. It's not giving the one I wanted to give 99. This is 0. And yeah, this is so annoying. Come over here. Oh my god. So, don't mind me. This is just me making mistakes. But it's not so hard. Come here. Give it 99. Yeah. You can give it 0. This 99 is going to the white. I don't want it to go to the white. I want the white to be like 50. And this one should be like... But yeah, this also looks cool too, if you think about it. And this would be like 90. I don't know what's wrong. Why? Oh yeah, it changes. Oh yeah. When you change this top, as I did, when you give this one 0 now, it's going to go all the way up. So yeah, it's changing. I didn't think about that. But basically, just keep tweaking it and you see something you like and you use it for your design. So that's pretty much it. The other ways you can animate it in Rive, animate it in Figma, use prototype mode and smart animate. If you want that, let me know. But for now, this is just a simple tutorial how to make this gradient glow in Figma any color you want. That's the reason why it's white and black. Any color, just color dodge, overlay. By the way, you can even try different blending modes as well. So you come over here and just try blending mode of. There's one I saw earlier. Luminosity, screen, lighting. Was it add lights? Yeah, overlay also looked also great. So with overlay now, you notice that there's a let's see. I don't know. Overlay is a bit quiet. Let's see if there's another color that we can try that will make it glow a bit. Just come over here, go to this glow one and change it again. Just tweak around and see what you like. Color does one that is very bright. Plus that is also very bright, but it looks more white. Color just shows more green. Screen, add lights, exclusion, and the color, luminosity. So basically, you see, that's just it. Like you have to experiment with the blending modes to see what works. But color dodge will always work for you, trust me. With all that said, yeah, if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. Message me on Twitter. And yeah, I'm open for design projects for March. So if you want to work with me, send a DM, book a call, link description. Yeah, can't wait to work with you. Have a good one. Bye.